Hello everyone, my name is Shamma Al-Awadi and I really enjoyed this amazing program by KFI. I had many ideas and beneficial ideas about the financial, how can I manage my future salary. I really enjoyed the activities. We did many and diverse activities from many kinds. We played characters, we knew how to manage different characters' salary and how to take a person from a bad habit, which is not managing his salary, to a better salary and better monthly expenses. I really enjoyed and I recommend you all to come and join. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Shahid Abdullah. Just to give you an outlook about the KFI program, as it does focus mostly on managing our finances in a variety of ways, which leads us to be learning how to manage the money gained and how to use the money as a source of income and then using it as my expenses, in addition to knowing the downgrades and the upgrades of using money in a variety of ways, putting them in credit cards, debit cards, and many more. I really benefited from this program and thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Aisha Amar. I'm really thankful for this opportunity that the KFI program provided for us. I think that this program is really helpful for any students who are learning to manage, who are willing to learn to manage their finances. I really benefited from this program. Thank you.